Hello everyone, welcome to PixxEdu YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. In today's tutorial we will show you two ways you could convert your mono audio into stereo using Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, we have our audio clip into the timeline, and as you can see there is only one channel, and if we play it, you can see in our audio meter that there is only the left channel is playing. So the first way is you need to go into the effect panel, and in effects panel you need to go into audio effects. Let's drag it down, and in audio effects folder here you can find fill right with left effect. So let's drag and drop into your audio clip. You shouldn't have to do anything else, and your audio should now be stereo. Here in the audio you can see it is showing only one channel, but the audio levels are showing that both left and right audio channels are now playing. So here's the effect off.
Hello guys, welcome to PixxEdu YouTube channel.
And here is the effect
I hope you
on.
are doing well. So today we will learn about parent tool.
So you can see the difference. So that was pretty simple, right? But there is a much easier way. Let's remove this effect fill right with left. So the second way is we are going to right click on our audio track, and here you can see audio channels. Let's click on it. Now you just want to select the right audio channels and hit OK. As you can see, our track is converted into stereo. You can see it here. We have two channels. And if we play it back, both channels are playing.
Welcome to PixxEdu YouTube channel. So today we will learn about.
I hope this tutorial was easy to learn. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching. Please motivate us to make more tutorials by subscribing to our channel. Take care.